Today, I'm reviewing Guideflow, a no-code platform for 2025 that helps SaaS teams build interactive in-app guides and onboarding flows to reduce confusion and help users reach value faster. Guideflow lets non-technical teams create walkthroughs, tooltips, checklists, and tours that react to user behavior, enabling quick updates without developer involvement. A major strength is contextual onboarding, where users only see guidance when it's relevant, helping prevent overload and supporting bare feature adoption and lower churn. Early reviews praise Guideflow's clean interface, fast setup, and flexible guide design, while noting that advanced customization and analytics may require higher-tier plans and careful planning for complex apps. The platform integrates smoothly with modern SaaS tools and is useful for onboarding, feature announcements, and reducing support tickets through in-app guidance. Overall, Guideflow is a practical and effective onboarding solution for SaaS teams seeking better user education without heavy engineering, with pricing and analytics depth worth reviewing before scaling.